Gates open, they're up and racing. Don Eduardo's best, haha. Moving up at the center, Prospering is on the outside, catching the second spot. King Manjo then moving up, Mark. This bird Wadjalizing. Flourish comes next, then running on the outside, trailing them is Giant Sloom as they make their first turn and now rounding at a 3/4 mile distance. Haha takes the lead. Don Eduardo's best is on the outside second. Racing in third by the rail, Prospering. Running alongside Mark This Bird. Down in fifth is Flourish. Next in line is King Manjo. Then running second last is Giant Sloom. And Wadjalizing is running at the tail of the field. About to pass the last 800. Haha! This time by about a length and a half. Prospering, getting closer in second and on the outside. Mark This Bird. Don Eduardo's best drops back in fourth. Racing in fifth is the stablemate Flourish. Then comes Giant Sloom, King Manjo, and Wadjalizing now putting big strides as they race at the final corner. Ha! Prospering now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Moves up and now grabbing the lead with a favorite. Prospering leading the field. Haha is running in second by the rail. Mark This Bird racing in third on the outside. With the last 150 more to run, we have the favorite Prospering increasing its marker to about 5 lengths. And finally, Prospering, Mark This Bird, haha, close with Flourish and number 2, King Manjo for your Pentafecta.